Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you love vegetables, there are different ways of cooking it. Today I'm cooking Egburegbu soup that is common to other people in Ebonyi State. So let's get right into my kitchen as we prepare Egburegbu soup, although with a twist. Let's dive right in. Okay, here are the ingredients for my soup. The main ingredient is fluted pumpkin leaves called ugu. I have plenty of them. And we also have a pomo already cut and soaked in hot salty water. Here is my mackerel fish smoked. Look at it, smoked mackerel fish for the soup. And also I have a branded crayfish, red palm oil, pepper mix, and panla or stockfish. This is potash, salt, and I'm adding iru locust beans. This is my protein, and I have a chicken as my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. All right, let's dive in straight into the cooking. Lest I forget, I also have meat stock. That's the chicken stock. I start by pre-cooking the protein and other ingredients for better taste and flavor. So I come in with my stockfish, a little of the smoked mackerel fish, a little of crayfish, blended pepper mix, and also a little of stock, just to prepare the stockfish and make it soft and good for our soup. So I add a little salt, and I come in also with one Maggi cube, then onions. Here is my cow skin. So just mix everything together, allow it to soak in the water, then allow to cook. While that is cooking, the way this leaf is prepared by the other people in Ebonyi State, you leave the leaf as it is and boil. But I just give it a chunking cut just to make it easier for me. That's the way I prefer it. This is optional. So let me just cut it into big chunks. So I have my proteins already cooking here. Can you see the stock is already giving way? It shows that it's cooked. So this step will help my ingredients to blend together, and each of the ingredients will bring out the aroma to make this soup very delicious. So let's get right in. I come in with my oil. Normally in Netherlands, they use plenty of red oil. But since I'm eating this, I'm not cooking for anyone. I love just little palm oil. So I come in with the pepper mix and fry. So I'll fry until the oil oozes out and stay on top of the pepper, as you can see. So I introduce all the protein. Then we go in with my locust bean and the crayfish, and give it a gentle mix. If you have watched till now, I believe you love this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up so that it can be available for people who love soup like this. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I mix well and taste the soup. So I needed to add a little more salt and one more seasoning cube. While it's cooking, let's prepare the vegetables. So I packed all the washed vegetables into my pot and soak the potash in water as you have seen before, then pour the potash. Because the water in my potash is not much, so I needed to add a little more water, cover and allow it to steam. So after some minutes, can you see, oh, this vegetable is very green. If I tried this vegetable soup for the first time, I made up my mind I'll be cooking it. So I decided to just share it with you because I love trying new things. Tell me in the comments what type of vegetable you would like me to prepare in my next video, and I will do well to bring it to you here, my people. Can you see this vegetable? It looks very green and soft. I think the aim of steaming it with potash is to make it very soft. So as you can see, it looks very soft and also green. It retains its greenness. As I'm cutting, it's so hot that I need to just enjoy it because I don't want to wash off those nutritious liquid you can see. For me, usually I love my vegetable to be more than the pepper mix. So that is why I'm trying to take a little quantity out of my vegetable. If I needed to bring it back, I will do that. If not, I'll just keep this for the next soup. So I introduce my vegetable. Can you see this vegetable? It looks so green, so nice. Will you try it? Let me know in the comment. And by the way, where are you watching from? Let me know so that I can give you a hug in my next video. A shout out to Peace Isheoluwa watching from Abuja, Nigeria. I'm glad you love our recipe. Thank you so much. Alright, it's time to serve my dish. Can you see this green vegetable? I love this. It tastes so nice, so soft, so delicious. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment below. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.